Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change viewing restrictions in Amazon Prime Video. This is a great way to ensure that the content available on your account aligns with the age appropriateness you prefer, especially if you have younger viewers using the same profile. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you're signed in, look at the top toolbar where you'll see various options. Click on Prime Video to access the streaming service. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can directly open Prime Video in your web browser by typing in the URL, which will take you straight to the platform. Now that you're in Prime Video, move your mouse to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Hover over it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Account and Settings. This section houses all the important configurations for your Prime Video experience, including playback settings, profiles, and privacy controls. Once you're in Account and Settings, direct your attention to the top menu. Here you'll find several tabs, and you'll want to click on Permissions. This is where Amazon allows you to control access and viewing limitations across your account. It's particularly useful for managing what different users can watch. After clicking Permissions, scroll down through the page until you come across the section labeled Viewing Restrictions. This is the key area where you can set age-based limits on the content that can be accessed through your account. The Viewing Restrictions feature ensures that inappropriate content is automatically filtered out based on the rating you choose. You'll notice several options displayed, typically including ratings like 7+, 13+, 16+, and 18+. These ratings correspond to different maturity levels, so select the one that best fits your needs. For example, if you want to restrict content to a younger audience, you might choose 7+ or 13+. If you're setting this for an adult profile with no restrictions, 18+ would be appropriate. Once you've made your selection, the changes will automatically save. There's no need to click a Save button or confirm anything further. Amazon Prime Video immediately applies your chosen restriction, so any content that exceeds the selected age rating will be hidden or blocked from view. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the viewing restrictions on your Amazon Prime Video account, giving you better control over what content is accessible. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.